type of indexes we have? B-tree and map. So B-tree index is the how the created index in the normally. This is called a B-tree index. If you create normal index, if you create any Q index, whatever it may be, that is called like a bitmap index. Bitmap. So not bitmap, B-tree. Don't confuse me. Oracle having the two indexes. The indexes may decide like a cardinality is high. The cardinality is high. Then you will go with the B-tree index. If the cardinality is low, then you will go with the bitmap index. So the column having how many values, how many different values you have into that particular column. If you have only two values, either true or false, or male or female, or 1 or 2, something like only two values, two different values in entire the column. In that case, you will go with the bitmap index. Okay, if you have more than 2, you will go with the B-tree index. So if you have the default, it will create the Oracle is a B-tree index. Got it? You need any more explanation here?
Yes.
No? Okay. We have other things also, but if you ask in the interview, you need to say this only. So what other indexes we have? So what other indexes we have? So if we some cases, so suppose like I said like a account table. In account table, account number and the customer ID, we have two columns. If you want to find out like to maintain the uniqueness or to maintain the data as a to retrieve the data based on two columns at a time. Two conditions. So in that case, you will use the composite index. You understand about composite primary key?
Yes.
In the earlier? So if you want to build the uniqueness with the two columns, you will go with the composite index. Because you don't have any option to create a primary key in multiple times. And in that one table, you can able to create only one primary key. Got it? In the similar way, if you want to create index for based on two columns, you will use the composite index. So instead of EMP number comma ename, if you want to create like a two based on two columns as index, you will use the like this. Got it? What other indexes we have? Suppose like EMP. Now while I am retrieving the data, ename mentioning like a lower of ename or lower of Smith. So you are not getting any data here. Okay, or upper of, let it be your function. You are having the value in the upper letter only, but I am using function here, upper function. So I'm trying to see about the explain plan here. It is going for the full table scan, and I am going to create a index as well for this. I'm creating the normal index. So EMP, I'm not giving the any proper name. Okay, ename. Okay, let it be. I'm providing the proper name only, and I'm creating the index for this. Now it's see if the table is having index, need to be performed like a range scan, right? Now it is going for the full table scan. Now I'm mentioning the index int as well here. Now I'm mentioning the index int as well. Not copied. 1 second. So we are getting the data and search for the. So it is going for a index by row ID only, but it is searching for the full scan. If the table is having index, then also it is going for the full table scan, because you mentioned the index in the without a function. You created the index without a function here, but you are trying to retrieve the data with the function here, upper function. While creating the index, if you mention the upper of ename, you won't get this issue. If you are trying to retrieve the data like this, in that case, you need to create some function based index.
Okay.
So now I am dropping the index and creating again. Now I drop the index, and now I am going to use the query without index hint. Now I am getting the data. Now I am going to see. Now it is going for the full table scan. Simply I am mentioning the index hint. It is going for the full table scan only. So if you create any index based on with function, that is called a function based index. So no, like why it is working like this, I will show you. Upper of, now it will work here. Of ename equal to Smith. Then also it is going for the full table scan only. What will happen? See, now it got going for the range scan. Got it?
Yes.
So if you are, maybe like you may get this type of requirements. Sometimes I want to retrieve the data. So you have like a ename column, name column. So I want to filter the data based on 3 letters of name. If you want to filter out like that, in that case, you will use the sub-str of 1, 3. It will fetch the only first 3 letters, and you can pass the first 3 letters into that. Got it? In that case, it will help you to get the data. Got it? Function based index will help you in that. What I am going to say here, select star from EMP. Then in this case, if you want to filter only sub-str of 1, 3, and you no need to use anything here, but see. So SMIT. So like anything like yes, okay, only 1 letter I'm going to filter here. If you get the 2 records, 1. Now I'm going to filter data like this. In this case, if you create the function based index like this, it will help you to get the data as faster. Okay, this is the indexes we have. Okay, shall we stop? I haven't seen about what the things we have inside this, and we can mention the table space. So if you are creating how to rebuild the indexes, all the things I have provided here. We will discuss about thing if you required anything in performance wise, we will discuss later classes. Okay, see, if you are creating any index, we can able to mention like a table space name as well. So table space users. I know about only one table space here. Now I am going to mention that particular table space. So the table space is a logically memory storage device. If you want to store anything, you need some storage device, right? That may be physical, that may be logical. So you have the physical device like a server. Inside the server, there is some memory for you. That is called a table space. Got it? So we can mention that we can devise some logical storage, memory logical storage, a lot of logical storage we can define. So if you mention this, like if you are using like a, like in the team you have like 10 people, so all the people are using the same table space, in the sense it is heating the process. So better you can create some logical memory for your different place with a different table space name, and use that, and use queries running in that. That will help you to get the performance improvement. Okay, we will discuss about these performance things in the later classes after completion of SQL, and we can PLSQL in the middle. We will observe the performance things. Okay, shall we going to stop? Anyone having any concerns or any doubt?